All right, well, here we are with our never seen salt Southern 02 Excursion, four-wheel drive, extra clean all around. A lovely truck, newer tires, clean inside, powerful, all the seats, smells good. Big dog, very nice and clean up underneath. Let's see, you just don't see that anywhere but, well, anywhere in Ohio. Straight up and down, one ding on the other side is the only one I've seen. Motor, engine, everything running good. I'll start it right up. I can get in the hole. Excellent, stereo works, no lights on. Smooth running truck, rear air and all that. Beautiful average of 12 miles per gallon. But yeah, all around clean, 166,000 miles. Hard to find. Beautiful Excursion. Pops right into four-wheel drive. Gas light comes right on. But this is the car you want. Goes right into gear. Smooth running, brakes smooth, power steering smooth. Nothing really in the way of rattles or anything. But yeah, I think this thing might be able to lay a couple 11s back there. Yes, you can turn that off, I found out. The Ford love of seatbelt lights. But just a monster all around. It's kind of freezing cold out this morning. So, but a clean start even on a 25-degree morning. It's V10, smooth running. Not a noise coming out of that engine. It just sounds like a dryer. Excellent tires. I mean, all around good-looking green truck. Powerful four-wheel drive. Everything you want. Get it here. Get it at the right price. 330-501-2948. I'm Mike. Thanks.